So hi everybody, I'm doing a cocktail share week with 4 of my Instagram friends, and I am the last to go, and I'm really excited. And mine is a Dirty Santa White Russian. And my recipe, I have to say, came from Half Baked Harvest. She has the best cocktails. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have a glass, have to have that. I'm gonna add some ice to it. And then to that, I will add 2 ounces of vodka, and I'm using Grey Goose, but you can use whatever you like. I think we usually use Tito's, but they were out of Tito's. So 2 ounces of vodka. And I'm using my vintage little jigger and spoon. And then I'm gonna do 2 ounces of Kahlua. It's gonna be really tasty and really strong. This is a great dessert drink. So 2 ounces of Kahlua. And then I'm gonna do 1 ounce of espresso. And this is just, I used an instant powder, but you can make your own. You could use brewed coffee that's really strong. So that's just gonna give it a really good flavor. And then this is a simple syrup that I made last night. I made it with cinnamon sticks, honey, and water, and then I put a teaspoon of vanilla in it. So I'll make sure to put the recipe for this in the description box, but it was so easy. And I think this would be good in a lot of different things. So I just made like a double batch and put it in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna use 1 ounce of that, but this is the sweetener. So if you like it sweeter, you can use a little bit more. And then I'm going to use, well, I'm just gonna fill up the rest of the glass with half and half. And to me, this is the good part, and it's what makes it really pretty. So there you go. Don't know how I forgot this part, but this is the yumminess. So I'm gonna put a little bit of chocolate syrup on a plate, and then I'm gonna sprinkle it with turbinado sugar, and this is just the really coarse sugar. And that is what I'm gonna rim the glass with. So tell me that's not gonna be delicious. So I'm just gonna take it around the edges, and this is the one I should have done this first, but I didn't, I forgot. So anyway, this is how the glass rim should look. And then I don't even think I'm gonna try to pour it in there because I'll make a mess. But I am gonna taste this. This is, oh, let me stir. I'm not the best bartender, but you know what? It's the finished product that counts, and I think this is gonna be a really, truly delicious drink. So I'm gonna taste it for you. This is the Dirty Santa White Russian. Oh my gosh. It's strong, but I'm telling you, it is so tasty. And if it had the chocolate syrup around the rim, it would be amazing. So I hope you'll make this drink, and I hope you've enjoyed our holiday cocktail share week.